custom sort function. This function allows you to sort numbers and text by different levels. Once again, make sure you don't have any hidden blank rows or columns. In this example, we're going to sort salesperson A to Z and then keep that and do a sort on sales highest to lowest. Place our cursor on the first cell and we go to sort and filter and custom sort. And in this case, we are firstly going to sort by salesperson A to Z, add another level, and then sales by highest, largest to smallest, and OK. And that is a custom sort.